Going to OMD Martins. He's gonna dial in my front end. Getting a power brace, tension rod bracket.
아,これが乗せる。これが乗せるこれ。ホイール？
いや、新しいホイールなんだけど、スペーサー買い直してる。Martin made gusset for tension rod bracket and plate where it goes bar in the middle. Hammer this out, bend it down. All done. Martin spec tension rod bracket. Can't wait.
Check this out. So it's at 1/8 inch toe out right now. Say, you're doing the flick, and I actually like running even more toe out, static, but I also try this setup too first though, because this setup is going to be easier to like get sideways and stay sideways. But if you put a little bit more toe out, your transition will get faster. You understand that, right? So if you're tandeming someone and you want to transition fast, all you gotta do is literally like on one side, just push the tie rod in like a quarter turn. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. But I would try it like this first. This should be like a base, 1/8 inch toe out. So.
Wow. I can't wait. Well, thanks, Martin. I'm gonna leave.
Yeah, Kota.
Thanks for helping me.
やってよ、頑張って。
We gotta drive together again.
Yeah, maybe the 10th.
10th. Okay, thanks, guys.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, Kota. Tell your fiance I said thank you again.
Yeah, for sure. Another day in front of the house. Then Josh, out of all the garage and backyard, you come to front yard,
I
huh?
want to be next to you.
Okay.
I work better with you, even though you don't help me.
Then there's one spot in the garage. I might take that. in the shade. You come in the sun.
I want both of them. I want what you want.
No. Got tires, burners mounted, and this burner's going to Grange tomorrow. Decided to put under panel. I wanted to wait till I paint the kit, but nah.
Kota.
Here's the OMD merch. Martin dialed in my front end the other day,
How perfect of picking details can it be?
and that's Martin and Josh.
I don't think it's.
Go cop their merch. It's on their OMD website.
But these are 260.
Thanks, Martin.
I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I gotta grab my blitz. Be right back.
Alright, he's gone, so I'm gonna take this.
Hey.
Take one blit.
But damn, baby tire. You wanna see? $5,000? Huh? How bad would you want? How much would you spend to get this blitz?
Sort of asking the questions so you can get comments.
I guess Mr. Joshua is putting this bling bling on this red and white panda. Damn, bling bling. It's shiny. Alright, good luck. I'm gonna continue putting under panel. If you wanna drift like Martin and Josh, go hit up OMD. They have full angle kit and it's the cheapest one out there. They have CNC tension rod, Martin fabricated play bar, shortened it, and stock tension rod bracket, and boxed it in and plated. And they have, if you can weld it yourself, you can order it and he can ship it to you. You just weld this plate and weld this bar and weld the plate. OMD has full kit available now on their website, and short knuckle. That's all you need. But anyways, I gonna put the wheel. I got it new tire mounted and installing the kit on the trailer. I taught her how to ride pit bike. She never rode the bike before. Now she can cruise around. Arrow is on. And ready to go. Put this burner. Make sure the toe is good. And ready to go in the morning. 笑ってください。
これやりたい。
はい、じゃあ明日の朝ね。
明日の朝。どこ行くの？朝。
We are going to Grange, New Grange, after we make it.
タイヤに付け替え。
じゃあつけちゃう。水槽面白かった。
水槽が好き。近くなる時もめっちゃ楽しい。車こことか
当たりそう。
うん。